Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make seafood stock. First, collect your seafood scraps. Shrimp shells, lobster bodies, and non-oily fish bones work best. Make sure to rinse them thoroughly to remove any impurities. Next, chop your aromatic vegetables like 1 medium onion, 2 celery stalks, and 1 carrot into roughly 1-inch pieces. These foundational ingredients will build a rich, savory base for your stock, enhancing the overall depth of flavor. This simple preparation sets the stage for a truly delicious stock. Begin by heating a tablespoon of olive oil in a large stock pot over medium heat. Add your chopped onions, celery, and carrots, sautéing them until they soften, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, introduce your cleaned seafood scraps to the pot, cooking them for another 5 to 7 minutes until they change color. Finally, pour in enough cold water to cover all the ingredients by about 2 inches. Bring this mixture to a very gentle simmer, avoiding a rolling boil. As your stock gently simmers, you'll notice foam and impurities rising to the surface. Use a ladle or a large spoon to carefully skim these off, ensuring a clear and clean stock. Continue to simmer the stock, uncovered, for 20 to 30 minutes. Cooking it longer can make it bitter. Once the simmering time is complete, remove the pot from the heat. Carefully strain the entire contents through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth into a clean container, discarding the solids. After straining, it's crucial to cool your seafood stock quickly. You can do this by placing the pot in an ice bath or dividing the stock into smaller containers. Once completely cooled, transfer the stock to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or you can freeze it for several months. This homemade stock is perfect for soups, risottos, and sauces, adding incredible depth to your dishes. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.